Vybz Kartel is making waves again, and we've got all the juicy details you won't want to miss. So, what exactly is going on with the dancehall legend since his recent release from prison? Well, it looks like Kartel has wasted no time jumping back into the studio after taking. Fast forward to Monday. He's back in the booth with Likkle Addi and the great Redboom. Behind-the-scenes vibes. In the first sneak peek, we see Redboom, a well-known studio engineer, setting up the recording equipment while Likkle Addi watches closely. Kartel sounds thrilled.
Yeah, man. Nice show that one, look that one. Indeed. How that? Acting Likkle Addi. People are who this. The great blood clot Redboom. I never know we that link up. I want to go on your socks. Through their setup. Pussy clot no. I'm out.
Then, in another clip, Kartel previewed a brand new track. The lyrics are already stirring up plenty of buzz. Prison hot, but out of road the heat worse. Wow, that line about the heat worse out of road is already sparking a lot of debates online. And of course, Kartel was sporting his signature orange kerchief head wrap while dropping these verses, reminding everyone that his style is as iconic as ever.